there, it's Dana. Thank you so much for stopping by my video today. Today I'm going to be doing a follow-up video from the Cottage Vegetable Garden that I did in the springtime. All of my plants are coming in so nicely, and we've had a break in the rain, so I wanted to come out here and do some gardening. You can see behind me, this is my little garden. I don't have a lot of area in my yard where I can do a lot of gardening, but this spot gets a lot of sun. And even if you have a little area, you can grow a lot of stuff. I've got broccoli, I've got tomatoes, cabbage, collards, peppers, eggplant, beans, all kinds of stuff growing in here. So I'm really proud of it, and I hope this inspires you to plant some things. I even have a little stand-up box in my deck upstairs where I have a lot of things growing. I have another little area where I garden, so I'm going to show you the before and after pictures and how much it's grown. I'm going to do some weeding and gardening today and talk while I'm doing it. So I hope you enjoy this video and it inspires you to do some gardening in your yard, even if you only have a little bit area where the sun shines. You'll grow things, I promise. And I'll see you at the end of the video. You can really see a huge difference from the before pictures to the after pictures, but the same thing happened last year. So this year I think it was even better. That my tomatoes grow so well, and we eat tomatoes all the time. I make spaghetti sauce with my tomatoes, and mostly we put them on sandwiches and in salads all the time, so that's something that's really useful. But if you don't pull the weeds out, what happens is they take a lot of the nutrition out of the soil. So this is the first time I've been able to weed in a really long time, because we just had tons and tons of rain where I live, so it's been really hard to get out here and do this. But I'm happy with how everything's coming out, and I'm really glad it did rain a lot, because it was a lot easier for me not to have to come out here every day and water the plants. So this is the other area where I have planted things that were in the garden up top, and then I moved them down here. As you can see, this went crazy too. I've got all kinds of beautiful things growing here, so I have a lot of weeds in there too, but I haven't got around to getting those out. We're hoping the deer don't try to eat my flowers I just planted, but we'll see what happens. Well, here's the outcome of my standing garden bed. These are sunflowers that are growing right up the chimney here, all the way up. It's like but this just went crazy. And as you can see, I have tomatoes growing here. I have squash growing here. I have banana peppers. I have bell peppers. So, and lots of a lot of this collards I gave to my guinea pig inside. So, but this was a really big success, and this is just a standing garden. So if you have some sun and you have a deck, you don't have a lot of place to garden in your yard, this is somewhere you can grow stuff. So I went to a yard sale the other day and I found this beautiful Blessed Mother statue, and I just love it. So I'm going to clean up all the weeds around here and make a beautiful little prayer garden. So let's see how it comes out. There's my Dante. This is my dog Dante. He's an English Bulldog Lab Rottweiler mix. He's my buddy. Right? My buddy. this is the end result of my little prayer garden here. I got all my flowers planted in the woods here, and my son Danny made me this bench, so my husband and my son Jack brought it up here for me so I could sit. And it's nice because it's right in front of my other garden. So here it is. I also wanted to show you how nicely my grass came into the yard here. This was all dirt before, so I just put about 3 or 4 bags of grass seed down, and that came out beautiful too. There's my garden over here. The sun isn't shining on right now. Good boy. Good boy, Dante. I just want to thank everybody for stopping by my video today. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I hope this inspires you to work in your garden and get outside and plant a little garden, because I guarantee you everything will grow nicely for you. And I hope you have a nice week. God bless, and I'll see you next time. Say mama. Good boy. That was pretty good.